Unveiling black holes, the mysterious voids of space. Black holes are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They're formed when a massive star collapses in on itself. There are four types of black holes: stellar, supermassive, intermediate mass, and miniature. Each has unique characteristics and properties. So, how do we know black holes exist? The evidence is compelling. X-rays and gamma rays from hot gas swirling around black holes. Stars moving at high speeds near suspected black holes. Detection of gravitational waves. Telescopes have observed the effects of black holes on surrounding matter. The Event Horizon Telescope even captured the first-ever image of a black hole in 2019. Despite the evidence, black holes still hold many secrets. What happens inside a black hole? Can information be retrieved from the void? Black holes continue to intrigue and mystify us. As we explore the universe, we may uncover more secrets about these enigmatic voids. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of black holes. Stay curious and keep exploring.